Hey, this is Shannon at MarineMax at Fort Walton Beach. I'm standing on the NauticStar 249 bay boat, and I want to talk about a few features up here on the front of the boat. Right up here in front is your anchor locker. Of course, if you're standing up here, you have a huge platform for fishing. You can, with your foot, you can tilt your engine up in the back. If you get into the shallow water, you can tilt it up or down. Of course, it's already pre-wired for your trolling motor. Two huge fish boxes on multiple levels right here. You can put plenty of fish inside. Each locker drains. Of course, on both sides right here, you have lockable rod storage on either side, or you can just use it to store any of your gear, whatever you have. Up front, of course, we have a pedestal for a pedestal seat. Second live well underneath the console seating. Armrests that fold down. It also has a windshield that you can fold down if you want a little air while you're driving on the boat, or if you don't want a little air, of course you can keep it up like this, but if you do want a little air, you can fold this thing down, or you can even take it all the way out. Plenty of room inside the helm for a porta potty. Of course, everything drains overboard. You got your cup holders and everything. Now we'll move back and talk about the helm in the back of the boat. Okay, standing at the helm, you'll see this boat is equipped with a Simrad chart plotter / fish finder. It has your Mercury engine monitor, also your Infinity Bluetooth capable stereo radio. This boat also is equipped with the Yamaha electronic fly-by-wire throttle. All your gauges they put right here that light up when you access your gauges, so if it's early in the morning or late in the evening, of course you can see what you're pressing. I like this little storage area right here to just throw my phone up here when I'm running in the boat. And then of course you have your lockable storage right down here that also has a phone charger inside. Flip up bolsters. This boat has foot rest. It also comes with a big cooler that goes under this strap down here at the bottom. You have two jump seats on either side with bucket storage underneath. Then you have your huge live well, or your main live well I'd call it, back here in the back. If you're not fishing, this doubles great as a cooler. Then of course this boat is equipped with the Yamaha 300 horsepower engine, which is bulletproof. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat we have here at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, give me a call. My number is 850-630-5459. This is Shannon, and I'll see you out on the water.